Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact photo requirements so your image won't be rejected. Once done, locate the photo on your phone or computer and note where it's saved. Then open the application form and scroll to the Photos section. Click Upload or choose File to start. You do this now because starting with the right file saves time later and prevents failed submissions. Make sure permissions allow the browser or app to access your photos before proceeding. Once the upload dialog appears, crop and position the image so your head is centered and fills the required frame. This meets identity rules. Next, resize or compress the file if it exceeds limits. Aim under 4 MB because oversized files fail to upload. Then use the form preview to validate clarity, orientation, and allowed background. Make sure there are no shadows or obstructions. If the form offers automatic validation, watch for green checks. If not, visually confirm each requirement before moving forward. To finish, save the photo field and submit that section so the form saves the image metadata. You should see a confirmation or green check. If submission fails, try quick fixes. Rename the file with simple characters, reduce file size, or switch browsers. Clearing cache often resolves stubborn upload issues. Make sure you keep a backup copy if the system still rejects the image. Test with a smaller JPG copy to isolate the problem and contact support with the error message and file details if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.